Hello friends, in this video we will learn about troubleshooting inoperative hydraulic systems. This video is a part of hydraulic troubleshooting series. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Now let's start today's topic. Troubleshooting inoperative hydraulic systems. In any fluid-powered system, common cause of failure results mainly due to two main reasons. Reason 1. Gradual or sudden loss of fluid pressure. Reason 2. Gradual or sudden loss of fluid flow. So in this video, you will learn what to do when the system becomes inoperative. We will look into a few procedures which will help you locate the problem and troubleshoot the same quickly. Observation 1. No oil or insufficient oil in the system. Oil level low or no oil will gradually damage almost every component of the system, may it be motor, pump or valves. When oil level is lower than required, the pump will start pushing air into the system and will end up damaging components. Low oil level heats up the oil. It also leaves system more dirty. Action required. Fill oil. Check for leakages. Observation 2. Wrong oil in the system. Having wrong oil means incorrect volumetric efficiency of the components. Improper fluid flow, chances of damaged seals, uncontrolled leakage or seepage. Action required. Refer to specifications supplied by manufacturer. Change oil. Observation 3. Filter dirty or clogged. Dirty filters will lose their efficiency. It will further contribute in damaging other components. Dirt in oil causes abrasion and wear and tear of moving parts of other components. Action required. Drain oil. Replace filter or filter element. Clean drain oil. Observation 3. Fluid line restricted. Fluid lines dirty or clogged. Restricted or clogged fluid lines will contribute to improper system pressure, affecting the overall efficiency of the system. Action required. Clean the blockages and replace hose, pipe or connections if required. Observation 4. Air leaks in the pump suction line. Air leaks in suction lines will result in aeration and that will lead to cavitation in the system. We will discuss aeration and cavitation in detail in another video. Action required. Repair or replace pump connection as required. Check for any symptoms for cavitations in the system. Observation 5. Worn or dirty pumps. Worn out pumps will have low volumetric efficiency of the pump. It will further result in lowering overall system efficiency. Dirty pumps will contaminate the oil. Action required. Clean, repair or replace the pump. Check alignment. Check for contaminated oil. Drain and flush oil from the system. Observation 6. Badly worn components such as valves, cylinders, etc. Debris of worn out components will further more damage other components due to frictional forces. Action required. Examine and test for internal or external leakage. Replace faulty components. Check for cause of wear. Observation 7. Leakage. Oil leakage from the system will reduce the overall system efficiency and add up cost of running. Leakages from high pressure lines will further increase the cut and may end up in a hazardous accident. Action required. Check all components, particularly the relief valve, for proper settings. Refer to technical manuals supplied by the manufacturer. Observation 8. Excessive load. Excessive load in the system will drastically reduce the service life of actuators like cylinders and motors, etc. Action required. Check unit specifications for load limits. Observation 9. Slipping or broken pump drive. Slipping of the drive unit will reduce the mechanical efficiency of the system, loss of power, and maybe the oil. Action required. Replace or repair belts, couplings, etc. Check for proper alignment or tension. That's all we have for this video. I hope this video will help you in troubleshooting your hydraulic systems. For more such videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel to continue your learnings on hydraulics. Visit hydraulicsclub.com. Link is in the description. Good day.